Hi, I'm Sara Conejo and I'm currently a sixth form student studying STEM subjects, and I think I'd consider myself a tech enthusiast. So over a year ago, I was working on a project with some students from my school to do with creating a robot that would be able to play a game. And to find a solution to this problem, we ended up using artificial intelligence to train the robot to play a game called 2048. I think currently not that many young people know what AI is, and if they do, they don't really know how they can use it to build really cool products that can help people. And so I believe that AI should be taught to young people so that they have the opportunity to make things that they believe can help them as well as help the world. I think from a younger age, children and teens are more likely to do things for good because they're not shown to what the real world looks like. And so I think it's really beneficial for young children to know about AI and to learn about it and to be encouraged to use it. I think give it your best shot. There's nothing that can go wrong really. I think you should just have fun with it and see what you can come up with in your team. It's a really good experience for teens to be able to learn loads of skills. So I think they should concentrate less about their final product and more the journey that they took to make the product. So like learning to work with others, organisation skills, being able to pitch, and of course also being able to write some code. Right now there's a lot of discussion as to where AI can really help, and as I mentioned previously, I think healthcare is something that can really benefit, and I would like to see AI in healthcare in the future. You have such a fun time, you just go there, you meet loads of people, and then you get to create these amazing ideas that you've worked with other people and your mentors and all the help that you get to create a final result which is really amazing. And it's actually really interesting to see how teens come up with ideas and how they can really crack down the problem and try to solve it. We had Acorn Aspirations, and they were already investigating and starting up hackathons to do with technology in general. But there was a big boom with AI, and Elena thought it was a great idea to jump onto that and allow teens to experience AI and learn about it and be able to use it. And so last year, in 2018, in May, myself and her, we went to the UN AI for Good conference and announced to everyone that this was a project that we wanted to work on and to push forward around the world, not just in the UK, but in other countries and other continents, and allow children to experience AI and be able to play around with it. If it weren't for TeensInAI, I wouldn't have done some of the really cool things that I've done at such a young age. I've been able to go to different conferences around the world, including the UN and the EU, as well as in Parliament, and writing about different articles that Parliament release, and just learn how important it is to show other people that AI or any technology should be used for good and should be used for the advancement of humans. And I think that AI in the future could make us more human, because we'd be able to forget about all the things that we need to be doing and focus on ourselves. And so TeensInAI has really done a lot for me.